Okay, so a curtsy step down with a cable pull. You can also use a band, and I'm going to be using a band in this variation, but equally if you have a cable machine at your gym, you could do this with a weighted cable. I'm going to set up now on my left leg, and the band or the cable is going to be to my left side, okay? To begin with, let's just talk about a curtsy step down. I'm going to set up with my foot right on the edge of the box, and all we're going to do is my right foot is going to come down this side of the box. I'm going to go down as far as I feel like I can and then come back up. If you can't reach the floor, that's absolutely fine. This is quite a high box. I'd probably advise using a lower box where you maybe can just about touch your foot to the floor. Okay, so that's the curtsy step down. But then when we add in band resistance to the same side, or a cable for that fact, this band is now going to be pulling me towards or into this hip, which is going to create a lot more length and a lot more load in the lateral hip and the glutes, and it's going to require a lot more strength to bring me out of the position. So I'm going to put my hand on my hip, my right leg is going to start drifting down here, and you'll see that to stop the band pulling me over, I kind of have to lean away from this leg as I do my step down, and then I'm going to come back up, okay? I could probably take this a little bit further away, get a little bit more tension on the band. Let me do the other side, so I'm going to go right leg now. That band has got a good bit of tension on it. My left leg is going to drift across. You'll see how I now have to lean my head a little bit more away on this side and then come back up. When we're looking at this pelvis, you'll see the right side of my pelvis is really going to be drifting out in that direction towards the band. This requires a lot of hip control. I can start to explore deeper ranges and come back up as I get more confident.